Welcome friends, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm doing a little appetizer, and I've got just a very small amount because this holiday season we're restricted in the number of people that we can have over. In fact, we shouldn't be having anybody over to our house with COVID going on. So I've done just enough for Julie and I so that we can stay in the spirit of the holidays. Now in this sauté, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil. And I want to heat that up pretty hot. And I'm sure most of you have noticed I use my sauté more like a wok than an actual saucepan. So into here, I'm going to put some finely diced jalapeno and some sliced shallots. Apparently everybody loves the way I say shallots. And I just want to fry those off really quickly. Get a little bit of color and a little bit of flavor into that oil. I don't really think I say shallots funny. Anyway, so next in I have some shrimp, and I have taken the shells off, deveined them, cleaned them up, and I'm going to put those in. And this recipe takes almost no time at all. We just want to fry the shrimp until they turn pink and are cooked through. It doesn't take much time at all. I think the shrimp are almost there. It doesn't take long at all. The next ingredient is tequila, and you could use whichever tequila you like. Now, you could use any tequila you like, and it doesn't have to be tequila. You could use rum. A high-proof rum works really well. Ouzo works really well. All kinds of other liqueurs. As long as the alcohol level is high enough and you think the flavor would work with the shrimp, I wouldn't use something like whiskey because it might be too overpowering. That woody flavor or the peaty flavor might be too much to go with the shrimp. Now I'm going to put in a couple of really good glugs, and I'm going to stir that around, get it hot, and I'm going to stand back because I'm going to add flame. And I'm going to let that tequila burn off. Now, if you're uncomfortable with flame, don't do it. Don't do it inside if you're not comfortable with it. Make sure that you've got a lid for the pot handy that you can put over top of it, or a fire extinguisher or something like that. And if you're still uncomfortable, just put in white wine. White wine would work really well with this. You don't need that giant flame, but it's going to bring a toasty nuttiness to the entire thing. Now, in the bottom of this pot, we've got a sauce going here with what's left over, what didn't burn. And to that, I'm going to add a little bit of butter just to finish it off. Bring some gloss to the sauce. So we'll stir that in and get everything coated, and then we're ready to take this to the plate. Okay, to the plate. Get that sauce over top. And I'm going to put a little bit of cilantro on top.
Hey, Glenn.
Hey, Jules.
Hey, friends. Oh, I'm like just too late, aren't I?
We already had the fire. We already had the fire. You can see the fire in the replay.
That's okay. I'm ready to taste the results.
Buttery sauce. Just a hint of tequila. You just get that little bit of tequila, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
That's quite nice. Again, we need some bread to dip into the sauce. Yeah.
Yeah. It's often with many of these things, the sauce afterwards,
Yeah.
it's the mussels, all that kind of stuff.
So my family does Christmas Eve, and it's all fish.
Yeah, very traditional.
This would be fantastic.
They would like this.
Yeah, I think this would be fantastic this Christmas.
So we'll just tease them
We'll tease them.
from our house.
I'm teasing you. We're having this Christmas Eve, and we're not bringing it to your house. So, which is too bad. Next
year.
Next Christmas. So this is a really fast, quick, easy appetizer. There's a little bit of theater if you have people in your kitchen and you're comfortable with the flame. If you're not,
and it'll look great over Zoom.
yes, yes, it will look great over Zoom.
You're demonstrating to your family. Woo! Look what we're having.
Everybody will love it. But if you're not comfortable with fire, don't do it. Just use white wine. White wine would be a perfect substitute.
And it's not too many.
No,
it's also nice.
I made just enough for the two of us.
Perfect.
Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.